Hi everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter by giving you a chance to save some money on a new iPhone. I've got the iPhone 15 Pro here in blue titanium. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Apple has changed the unboxing experience of iPhones over the years, and although it's a more subtle difference as the years go by, there are some things that stand out with the iPhone 15 Pro. The box is still the now familiar thin design since there's no charging brick included, more on that in a minute. Otherwise, a clean picture of the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro on the front, which is slightly raised above the rest of the box. A nice but subtle touch as well, like having the iPhone lettering and the Apple logo on the bottom in matching blue. Flip over the box and you've got two pull tabs. That's something I'm seeing a lot of on electronics boxes these days, which is great because it makes opening things up a lot easier. But another and underrated feature of the pull tabs is that they spare boxes from being torn open. So if you have to return something or use this box for something else, a lot more of it can be reused, hopefully leading to less waste. Anyway, opening up, here we go, a braided USB-C cable. Thanks European Union, we now have one less separate cable to carry around. I'm disappointed that Apple only included a USB-C 2 cable with what's supposed to be a professional phone. What that means is that you get slower charging and data transfer speeds than what the phone is capable of. To get the fastest charging and data speed transfers, you'll need to purchase a separate USB-C cable that is capable of supporting them. Okay, after the paper's in the box, here we go, the iPhone 15 Pro in blue titanium. It's got slightly rounded corners compared to the iPhone 14 Pro, and the sides are a matte finish rather than the shiny steel of the previous version. Titanium is lighter than steel, and this phone does feel lighter in the hand, about 20 grams or so than my iPhone 14 Pro, but it's not as significant of a difference as I was expecting. Personally, the lightness is the feature that I was most excited about. I'm always trying to optimize the total weight of my travel gear, and as this phone boots up, it's time to see what it can really do, which will be coming up in a video shortly, so make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss it. And speaking of, if you are subscribed to the channel, make sure you leave a comment down below. I'll pick one person at random by January 15th and give you a $100 Apple gift card. If you're a member of the channel, that'll be $300 and hopefully save you a little bit of money on your next iPhone. I'll be announcing the winner on January 15th in the description box of this video, so be wary of any comment replies that you get. Sometimes people pop up and try to scam people, so just be wary of your personal information. Check the description box of this video on January 15th. I will be moderating the comments, be checking for anything, but just be wary of that. Good luck to all of you. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much for subscribing. Hopefully this will help save you some money on your next iPhone, and I will see you in the next video.